You discovered that you could install almost any Python version using UV. So you get over yourself and you started installing version after version. And then when you wanted to start deleting the unwanted ones, you went to the regular remove tool on Windows and you searched for your installed Python versions and you didn't find the one you installed using UV. Don't worry, you are still able to uninstall them thanks to UV. First, you check your installed version by running UV Python list. You'll find your installed Python here highlighted and you select the one you want to remove. We want to remove this version. All you have to do is to write UV Python uninstall and then write the name of the version or the number of the version, and it will be automatically installed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.